In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Safe Search on your iPhone. First, just open Settings app on your iPhone and here scroll down a little and tap on Screen Time. After that, again scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now inside this section, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games, and here you'll see an option called Web Content. So go ahead and tap on Web Content. If your iPhone is set to limit adult websites, then some search results may stay hidden automatically. So here simply select Unrestricted, and if your iPhone asks for screen time passcode, just enter it. Once you do that, your iPhone will stop blocking certain websites. Now let's turn off Safe Search directly from your Google account. So open any browser you want. For this case, I'm going to use Safari web browser. So open Safari or any web browser you like on your iPhone. Then in the address bar, just type google.com, and after that tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now here you will see an option called Safe Search. So tap on Safe Search and you will see different filtering options for Google search results. Now just select off. After you do this, Google will stop filtering your search results and you will be able to see full results when you search something on your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you can turn off Safe Search on your iPhone. If you'd like to learn more simple iPhone tips and tricks like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.